Raganuga Bhakti or Vaidhi Bhakti?
Right back.
Raganuga Bhakti first. Raganuga Bhakti and Vaidhi Bhakti. First Vaidhi Bhakti, then Raganuga Bhakti. You understand? Vaidhi Bhakti, conditioned soul, Baddha Jiva, they have known as they have Raganuga Bhakti. Actually, Raganuga Bhakti means Raga Anugata. Anugata iti Raganuga. Raga Anugata iti Raganuga. So first we say, what is meaning of Rag? Rag means deep attachment. Rag, deep attachment towards Krishna. Or Krishna Priyavastu, which is relatively. Rag, simple way, we also say, Jatha Chitta Ranjakata iti Raga. Chakshu Indriya Ranjakata iti Raga. Chakshu Adi, Chakshu means our eyes, nose, ears, touch, the spontaneous attachment towards the object of the senses. This is Torah. What did you say? Our eyes. Our eyes are going where the beautiful form, spontaneously. He put in two flowers. One is very beautiful lotus, or another was lotus. So our eyes will be go which way? Which direction? And the beautiful lotus. I no need you to do that. Understand? So, and deeply attachment also. And our mind also automatically attract with these things. That rupa. Rupa means form. So chitta indriya ranjakata iti raga. Raga means when our chitta, heart, mind, spontaneous, attached with the object of the senses, that is called raga. Our ears going in here. It's the beautiful, sweet song. Madhur song. Kirtan. One person is singing not sweetly. His tune is not good. Or one person is singing very nicely. With the reason. So our mind will go which way? With singing, our ears will be except with one who sings with proper way, and mind will absorb it. So that means ears and mind both will accept where with the sweet song. Yes. So now is coming. Raganuga, we are using this word Raganuga Bhakti. Rago Anuga iti Raganuga. So I explain the what is meaning of Rag. Rag means Chitta Indriyadi Anuranjakata, deep attachment and spontaneous. All our senses automatically going to the spontaneous object of the senses. So this is actually called rag. But this rag, material rag, they are material things. Temporary, and temporary happiness will give. Temporary happiness giving. But finally giving what? distress and unhappiness. Result coming, then distress and unhappiness. But temporary, tatkalik, then giving some happiness. Yeah. So Raganuga actually in this same way, but transcendental world in Golok Vrindavan Brajavasis, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Yeah. There is the eternal and transcendental. In this material world, that is called temporary, and also giving distress, unhappiness. But transcendental world, Brajavasis, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. They are all their senses and spontaneous attached with Krishna. All their activities, except Krishna, they are nothing. Even when they are milking the cows, Govinda Damo Daromadhu Jaduvane Abovane Matana Pralepa Prenchi Chanadhu Rito Chanamarjanadu Gayantu Chaino Nurakta Dio Surukanto Dhanna Brijastriyo Urukrama Chittaya. Brajavasi is their spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. And they are all their senses automatically going towards Krishna Seva. Why? Because Krishna is their heart and soul. Understand? So Rag Brajavasis in their hearts spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. So Raga Atmika. Atmika means in their heart spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. So for this regard, Brajavasi they are called Raga Atmik Jan. What did I say? Ragatmik Jan. Raga Atmik Jan, Ragatmik. Brajavasi they are called Ragatmik. Because of spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. But they are called Ragatmik. 24 hours they absorb with Krishna. Their mind never derails from Krishna. Derail something. Never divert. Always on point with Krishna. Eating, sleeping, they always remember to Krishna. That's because natural, Sahavi. So Brajavasi Jan, that is called Ragatmik. So how do you know Ragatmik? Then again also explain two things. Iste sarasika rago param avishtata bhave. Tarmeta bhavedavasa ragatmika kudika. They are Ragatmik because Iste sarasika rago. They are Ishtavas to Krishna. Krishna is called the worshipful deity, Ishtavas. Because Krishna is called Visaya Vigraha, object of that divine love. Krishna is called Visaya Vigraha. What means? Object of the divine love. Krishna Visaya Vigraha. And their raga, how do they? According to their relationship. And Nanda Jasoda, they 24 hours absorbed with Krishna with their parental mood, Vatsalya. Their bhav, mood never change. Saiva fixed. Understand? What is that? Nanda Jasoda always thinking Krishna is my son. Subal Siddham, they are thinking Krishna is my friend. Then Sakha. Krishna is my friend. Rakta Patrak, they are thinking Krishna, then we are the servant of Krishna. That's it. Braj Gopis, 24 hours in Krishna is our lover and beloved. Madhurya. These types of mood, 24 hours, because time are fixed. So for these types of rag in their heart, so iste sarasika raga, sa sarasik, according to their rush, they absorb it. Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsala, Madhurya. A second point, param avistata. Avishta means, what do you mean avishta? Absorption. Understand? 24 hours they absorbed with Krishna. Their mind never going there. So for the Ishti, Sadhisi Rago, param avishtata bhavet, tarmaito bhavet udasa, ragatmika kodita. So for this regard, those who are intelligent persons, sober persons, they give this decision. Ye Brajavasi means these two symptoms. 24 hours they absorb with Krishna and they absorb with Krishna with their own rasa. So the Ishte Sarga Paramasya Bhavet Tanva Rudusa Ragatmika. Ragat Vidajanti Vyaktin Brajavasi Janadishu. Those who are Brajavasi Jan, Nanda, Jasudha, Suvansana, they are Brajavasi. We are not Brajavasi. We are which Brajavasi? Mayavasi. Maya the Mike Dham. Mike Dham Vasi. Mayavasi. Bhalovasi or Mayavasi? So just I also come in this way. In this material world, those who perform bhajan and sadhana, and always do bhajan and sadhana, and how to receive the sprinkled mood of the Brajavasis, and free from all kinds of anarthas. And if you are not free from the anarthas, and then you cannot receive the sprinkled mood of the Brajavasis. Do you understand or not? Heart should be first neat and clear. Cheto darpanam marjanam. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then recited this verse, Sikshastra. First, you have to clean your Hidaya Darpan. Hidaya Darpan, the mirror of your heart. Our heart is as like mirror, but that mirror is completely dirty, full of dust. So how to clean that the Chitta Darpan? Chitta Darpan means mirror of the heart. Rendaning chanting of the holy names. So saying the Chitu Darpanam Marjanam Bhava Maha Davag Nirvapanam Sreya Kairva Chandrika Vitaranam Viddhabudhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamita Sadhanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam Nam Sankirtan. But only Nam Sankirtan also you cannot clean your mirror of the heart. What need was Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. You understand? First thing is chant holy names. But how will chant holy names? With Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. If you alone chant holy names, you cannot free from the anarthas. But with the association of Sadhu, Sadhu Sangha, then you will be get the Chidbha, transcendental energy, potential. So for this regard, Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, not Nam Sankirtan, Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha, first Sadhu Sangha, then Nam Sankirtan. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Then Chitta Suddhi. Chitta Suddhi, in this way, then you can purify your heart. Then Dham Adi Parikrama, just I was reading. If you go Tirthasthal Darshan, Tirthasthal understand? Pilgrimage place. Tirthasthal Darshan. Then Tirthas Mahima, the glories of Tirtha, automatically purify your heart. But the Gaura Amar, Je Sabsthane, Parala Brahmana Rangi, Sesavasthano Herava Ami Pranai Bhakata Sange. I will go there, the Tirtha Sthal, pilgrimage place, where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates circulated that place. I will go. So then Gaura Amar Jesav Sthane Karala Brahmana Range Sesav Sthano Brahma Sesav Sthano Heriva Ami Pranai Bhakata Sange. Pranai means Premik Bhakta. You will go Vrindavan. Why will you go Vrindavan? With the Premik Bhakta. And listen Hari Katha. You will go Jagannath Puri Dham, pilgrimage place. Why? Because Premik Bhakti. Remember, Premik Bhakti reminds you, glorify the sweet pastimes. As like if you go Jagannath Puri, so Premik Bhakti will glorify Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Vipralamba Bhav. Vipralamba Bhav, understand? What is that? Separation mode. They will explain. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he performed his ecstatic mode, Vipralamba ecstatic mode, Virha Bhav Uddapan, in Gambhira. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes become very long. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became as like tortoise. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu jumped 3 doors of the wall of Gambhira and coming in the door of Simha Darwaja. Look this. So these types of Vipralamba Bhav. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu jumped in the water of the ocean and floating and going towards Chakratirtha. This types of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Vipralamba Virha Bhav, you listen. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cry, Kaha mor prananath morilu badan, kaha jaun kaha paun Brajendra Nandan, kahari kahiva dukho kejane mor dukh, Brajendra Nandan bina padina. In Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cried. His Sarvadamodar Raya Ramananda tell to me, where I will go? Where I will meet with my beloved Krishna, Govinda Darshan. So I am saying, because if you go with Sadhu Sangha, Premik Bhakta Sadhu, Sadhu will glorify about that pilgrimage place. If you go South India, then where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifests his topmost form. What is that? Remember? What is that? Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. Only Raya Ramananda saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only he showed the Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup, only Raya Ramananda, not Sarvadamodar, not others. Hasi Prabhu Tahari dekhailo Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. Krishna, he is called Rasaraj. As Srimati Radhika is Mahabhava. So Rasaraj Mahabhava have combined together and manifested this Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. Sometimes also explain. Here Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely explained in this way. Here Rayaramanda, he asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ek sangsay mor achi hirdaye, kripari kah mor tahar nischay, pohile dekhile tomar sannasuru, ebi toma dekhi mui sema goparu, tomar sammukhe dekhi kanchan panchalika, tar gaur kante tomar sarvang dhaka, tahate dekhi, tahate prakat dekhi sabangsi badan, na have chanchalatai kamala nayan. এই মতো তোমা দেখি হয় চমৎকার অকপটে কহ প্রভু ইহা কারণ ইহার Mahaprabhu is Rayaramanda. He asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hey Prabhu, I have one doubt in my heart. Please remove my doubt from my heart. What is the doubt? First I saw your sannyas roop, Danda Kamundal Dhari, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Tidandi Sannyasi. Mahaprabhu, very nice, beautiful. Ajana Lambita Bahu, Kanakapudatu, Sankirtana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's roop is very beautiful. Very lengthy hands going under his knee. Chaitanya, and his complexion is gold, molten gold complexion. And this golden mold complexion illuminated all the direction. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to sit in front of his devotee, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's complexion automatically illuminated. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not put any t-shirt or any kurta. Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just put his door kopina uttari. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, by staying with the devotee, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's complexion, molten gold complexion, automatically illuminated full direction. You cannot imagine that when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying with the devotees. He had also explained this. Sarup Damodar, Rupa Goswami Pad, in his many slokas explained that when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing, singing, in front of Lord Jagannath, that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's complexion completely illuminated. Sannyasi Chaitanya. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always looked like 14 years old. He was almost 84 years, 40 years, 48 he was staying in the middle. But he looks like Navajovana. Very nice, beautiful form. Very nice, beautiful, molten gold complexion, nice eyes. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so here is saying, पहले देखिए तुम्हारा सन्यास रूप, एवे तुम्हारा देखिए श्याम गोप रूप. Now I am looking your Krishna स्वरूप. तुम्हार सम्मुख के देखिए कांचन पंचालिका. Then I saw one very young girl, as a golden girl, Sarna Panchalika. And then we saw that golden girl, she completely covered your blackish form. So here you, तुम्हार समय देखिए कांचन पंचलिका, तार गौर कांदे तुम्हारा सर्वांग ढाका. Our Krishna, how is beautiful Krishna? Very nice, beautiful dancing eyes and playing flutes. Yes. ताहाते प्रकट देखी सबंग शिवदान, ना भवे वर्णन, ना भवे चंचल तये कमलनयन. এই মতো তোমা দেখি হয় চমৎকার, অকপটে কহ প্রভু কারণ ইহা. The Prabhu, please you tell to me, who are you? I saw your three forms. Your sannyas form, your Krishna form, who is playing flute, very nice, beautiful, dancing eyes, sweet form. Then I saw one young girl, whose complexion defeated the beauty of the gold. Kumkumapta kanchanabja garvahari gaurava pitananchi tabja gandha kirtinindi surava. Our Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami glorified about Srimati Radhika's son. Kumkumapta kanchanabja garvahari gaurava pitanancha tabja gandha kirtinindi surava. But Srimati Radhika's complexion is defeated the beautiful form of the golden pot or golden pitcher, and smeared with the kumkum. So kumkumapta kanchanabja. Kanchan means golden or gold. Abja means lotus. Kumkumapta kanchanabja garvahari saurava. What kinds of sweets fragrance coming from Srimati Radhika's body. So saying Kumkumapto Kanchanabja Garvahari Gaurava Hitananji Tabjaganda Kirtinindi Saurava. So for this regard, here Krishnadas Kaviraj, here Arvind is saying, I saw on the Kanchal Panchalika, golden doll, and her complexion completely what? Molten gold complexion cover your Krishna form. So for three form I have noticed. What are the three forms? Radhananda is all. That is just I told. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sannyas form, Krishna form, and Radhika's form. First is saying, प्रथमे देखी तुम्हार सन्नास रूप, ये भी तुम्हार देखी श्याम रूप. पहिले देखनु तुम्हार सन्नास रूप ऐसा महाप्रभु सन्नास रूप. Then श्याम गोप रूप, कृष्ण रूप. Then Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she covered Krishna's complexion with her own complexion. So who are you? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tried to hide in front of Rai Ramananda. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Rai Ramananda, and you are Mahabhagavat. So Mahabhagavat can look many things. Yes, Nana Bhai Chandra. प्रेमेर स्वभाव जानियो निश्चय. प्रभु कहे कृष्ण तुम्हार गाढ़ो प्रेम है. प्रेमेर स्वभाव जानियो निश्चय. Mahabhagavad देखिए स्थागुर्जन. Mahabhagavad, this is the symptom of Mahabhagavad. Uttam Bhagavad does not look any gross thing. If he looks anything, automatically would be one stimulation coming in his heart. If he looks the small mountain, he thinking Giriraj Govardhan. Mahabhagavad, if he looks a small river, this is thinking this is Jamuna river. Because all the Uddipan, stimulation, Uddipan understand? Stimulation coming. And all Krishna Leelas automatically manifest in it. So Sthavar Jangam dekhe, na dekhe tar murti, jaha jaha netra bade Ishtadev Vishnu. Ishtadev, Krishna and Krishna Leela automatically manifest in it. Sthavar Jangam dekhe, na dekhe jaha jaha netra bade Ishtadev. One dekhi Brahma, ei Vrindavan. If Mahabhagavad, Uttam Mahabhagavad looks any forest, this thinking, this is Vrindavan. Automatically Vrindavan Leela manifest. All Vrindavan Katha is coming. Vrindavanam Sakhi Bhuvo Vitano Dikirtin Jadadeva Kisuto Padabda Labda Lakshmi Govindamir Benunmatta Mayura Nittam Prekshadrisan Bharatan Samasta Sattam Benugit. Vrindavanam Sakhi Bhuvo Vitano Dikirtin. Srimati Radhika, she says her girlfriend, look how beautiful is Vrindavan. Vrindavanam Sakhu Vitanati Kirtim. Our beloved Krishna, he took birth in Vrindavan. For this regard, everybody glorified our Vrindavan. Why you are going to Vrindavan? Because Krishna's birthplace. Krishna Janambhumi. Krishna performed sweet Leela in Vrindavan. So everything Vrindavanam Sakhu Vitamiti Kirtin. Jayati te udikam janmana braja srayate indira shasratrahi daita dikshatam dikshutavaka Tridhita sava twang vichinnate Sadhudasaye sadhujatasi sarojasujadare srimushadrisha suratana tate sulkadasika varadhanignato neha king vada Gopigita Jayati te adhikang janmana praja. Srimati Radhika, she recited this verse. Jayati te adhikang janmana praja. All glory to Vrindavan. Why? Krishna performs sweet his Janam Lila. Janam Lila, understand? What is Janam Lila? Janam means birth. Birth Lila. Krishna, he born in Vrindavan, in Gokul, from the womb of Mother Yashoda. Look, Jayati Devadikam Janmana. Srayat Indira, all the Lakshmis, Indira Mani Lakshmis, Sarva Lakshmi, Indira Lakshmis of Vaikuntha. They used to come in Vrindavan and they start to blooming. Why? Because they are thinking, if we serve Vrindavan, then my life will be successful. Everybody want to go Vrindavan. Why? Because Krishna Prakat Lila. Krishna performed his Lila. But very careful. Has to go where? Navadvip. Navadvip. Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's Dham, Navadvip recommended to you go to Vrindavan. Otherwise not. So first to go where? Navadvip Dham. Gaura Dham. Gaur Dham, Gaur Naam, Gaur Kam. Dham. Especially every year to go to Navadvip Dham. If you not able to go to Vrindavan, no harm. But every year have to go where? Navadvip Dham, Gaura Kripa. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very much. Nityananda Prabhu, Srivas Thakur, Advaita Acharya, Shantipur. Gauramar Jayastani Karnala Brahmana Ramvi, Sesavastana Hiravami, Pranai, So Jayati Te Adhikam Janmana Braja Srat Indira Sastatri Daita Dikshatan Dikshitavaka. So Gopi Geet first glorify about Vrindavan. So Vrindavan Subhu Vitunati Kirti Devakishita Padartha Lakshmi. If you go Vrindavan, everywhere see Krishna's sweet footprints. Madhur Charan Chandra. Have you seen or not? Sundara, where have you seen Krishna's footprints? Charan Pahari.
Charan Pahari.
Charan Pahari, Choti Baitan, Badi Baitan, Nandagaon, nearby.
Govardhan also.
Giriraj, Govardhan also you can see there. Everywhere. Especially Krishna's Prakat Lila. When Krishna performed his Leela, then you can see Vrindavan everywhere Krishna's footprints. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, then everywhere Krishna's footprints. How do you know that Krishna's footprints? 19th symbol are there. Dhaj, Vajra, Ankush. Dhaj means flag. Krishna's footprints. Then every day, all demigod headed by Brahmaji used to come and worship that footprints. Especially you go Charan Pahari, Choti Baitan, Badi Baitan, Shesh Sai, everywhere you can see Krishna Charan Chit. So Vrindavanam Saghu Vitunati Kirtan Jadevakishita Padartha Lakshmi. Even Lakshmi Devi, she is very eager to serve Vrindavan Dham. She wants to enter in Krishna's Rasa Leela also, but not possible. Understand? For this regard, Uddhav also again and again pay his obeisances unto lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. नायं श्रृंगु नितांतरते प्रसादत सर्जसितालुन गंधा कुतुरुच अन्ना रासस्य व्यस्य भुजदंड गृहीतो कंठा लब्धा संजत उद्गाज ब्रज सुंदरी ना Lakshmi Devi, she did not enter in the residence of the gopis, Krishna in Vrindavan. Jat larana charot tapo kasanu aswa deva vidmahe tabangri renu prasadikara. Jat larana charot tapo. Same this passage. The wife of Kalyana. Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter a residence of the gopis, but not possible. Why? Because she does not want to serve Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Still she is performing her festivities in Vrindavan, other side of Joguna, Bilwan. Have you been there, Bilwan? Lakshmi Devi holding his hand and doing stop stuti. Generally Lakshmi Devi giving the blessing. But in Bilwan, Lakshmi Devi, she doing stop stuti, folded her hand. Have you seen or not?
Close the Yamuna.
Who is saying this? Nayang Swangu Nitamtate Prasadata Sarjasida Lanaganda Kuturtvanang Rasotsavasya Vajadanda Grihitu Kanto Labdhasana Jad Udgaja Braja Sundarina. But Brajagopis, they are very easy to meet with Krishna and perform Ras dance with Krishna. So I am saying in Vrindavan, everywhere you can see Krishna's footprints, charanchi. To say this. Vrindavanam sabhu vitanati kirtan jad devaki sudha padadu Lakshmi Govinda venu numakta mayura nittam. And especially when Krishna played the flute, Krishna Prakati, when Krishna played the flute, then all the peacock peahens, they are coming very close to Krishna. And that time that the peacocks, they also spread their tails and started dancing. Mayura Nittam. So saying Vrindavanam Sakivu Vitanodi Ketting Jada Devakisuto Padabda Labda Lakshmi Govinda Venu Numatta Mayura Nittam Petsadi Sanna Bharatan Samasta Sattam. And Vrindavan is the Sattik Guna. Neat and calm and quiet place. And if you go pilgrimage place, your heart will neat and clean. Tirthasthal. If you go Tirthasthal, pilgrimage place, then all your sinful activity, pap, automatically will destroyed. Generally people, they are going to Vrindavan, Mathura, Navadvip. Why? Because Shastra has written. And if you take bath in the Ganges, then your sin will be destroyed. But if you go to the pilgrimage place, automatically the dust of the pilgrimage place, then all your sinful activity will be destroyed. Sundara, understand? So you have to come in Vrindavan. Have to come in Navadvip Dham. Just to sleep in Navadvip Dham. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, he is doing pranam to me. Dandavat pranam. If you are unable to do parikrama, okay, thinking I am very tired, I am very sick, I cannot. But here Shastra Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. No, don't worry. Just to come Navadvip Dham and lay down, sleep. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving mercy, the same Dham Parikrama result. One person doing Dham Parikrama, or another person is laying on the bed of Navadvip Dham. Visarmeswara. Same result will get. How is powerful Navadvip Dham. Eh? You do parikrama or not, but just to come Navadvip Dham. But some our devotees, they don't go Navadvip Dham. They going Vrindavan. How they are foolish. Eh? No. You have to go Navadvip. Eh? They are thinking, first I will take the Rasgulla. Are stupid nonsense. Vrindavan Dham not to give mercy. Navadvip Dham give mercy. Eh? So first to come in where? Navadvip Dham. Gaura Dham. So saying Gaura Dham, Gaura Dham. How is merciful Chaitanya? Eh? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Dham give mercy to everyone. Even the aparadhi. If you say, oh, I am offender's aparadhi, maybe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give mercy. But no, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu give mercy. If our offenders, aparadhi, Vrindavan Dham will not give mercy. Eh? Our many devotees, how they are foolish. Eh? Navadvip Dham Parikrama, they are not going Navadvip Dham Parikrama. They are going where? Vrindavan. They are thinking, oh, okay, this is Rasgulla. But how they are foolish. They completely are cheated. Vanchitasmi. Eh? For this regard, Gurudev, 2010, his last instruction, all his disciples. You read Gurudev, YouTube, 2010, before his departure from this material world. Last is Dham Parikrama, 2010, last day of Kartik. He came out from his room, though he was sick, he told, all my disciples, he used this word, he used all my disciples, every year they have to come Navadvip Dham Parikrama. And he told also, I will be wait for you Navadvip Dham. His Vachan. Look this thing. Guru Vachan, Mahabhagavad Vachan will never lie. Perfect. Gurudev he told, I will be wait for you Navadvip Dham. Then his Samadhi in where? Navadvip. He is waiting. Gurudev Vachan, Guru Vachan. But those who are saying, oh, I am Guru Bhakti, I have not followed the Gurudev instruction. So what Bhakti they will manifest in the heart? They are the offenders of Radha. You have to follow the instruction. If your body not working, this is another thing. You are going Vrindavan, why not going to Navadvip Dham? Gurudev told, I am waiting for you. You read YouTube. 2010, last Kartik. Gurudev, last instruction. If you don't go, no problem. But you are going Vrindavan, but not going Navadvip Dham, this is offense of Radha. I am not going Navadvip Dham. Gurudev told, I am waiting for you. All you come, Navadvip Dham. Gurudev told, last his instruction. Vrindavan Dham Parikrama, and especially Gurudev intends the word Navadvip Dham Parikrama. For this regard, I am sometimes so upset. Those who are not coming, Navadvip Dham Parikrama. If they would not come, no problem. But they are going to Vrindavan and not coming to Navadvip, where Gurudev waiting for you. Maybe they are waiting for Gurudev. Hey Gurudev, you come, I am waiting. How they are foolish. Gaura Dham, Gaura Nam. Very merciful. When Navadvip Parikrama is coming, then I am remembering Gurudev last instruction. Gurudev last instruction, he told, so everybody will come. Navadvip Dham Parikrama. So now Gaura Marji Satan, so Vrindavanam Sugavitana Dikirti, Jada Devaki Sudhapada Abdulapsa Lakshmi, Govinda Penunumatta Mayura Nittam, Prachadi Sanna Bharatan Samasta Sattam. they can glorify our Vrindavan, Srimati Radhika. How is Vrindavan? It's neat and clean, calm and quiet place. Jamuna river is there. Vrindavan. Kal. Jamuna Devi is crying, taking the name of Radha and Krishna. Aradhi, Ha Krishna. Jamuna Devi is crying, making this sound, call. And where Srimati Radhika? Where Krishna are you? Same Jamuna is there. Jamuna river is there. But Radha Krishna's Leela not manifested. But this regarding when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. But Krishna always, he remembered to Vrindavan. Krishna, he was staying in Mathura or Dwarkapuri, but he always remembered to Vrindavan, and those were residents of Vrindavan was. For this regard, Krishna sent Uddhav, hey Uddhav, you go to Vrindavan. Gacchodvam Brajesuma Pritipam Pritivava Madhvyanam Gopi Gopinam Mat Sandesukoi Vimurchayo. Krishna told, hey Uddhav, you go Vrindavan and give my message to my parents, Nanda Yashoda, and especially also my gopis. Day and night gopis, they are crying for me. So saying, Gacchodvam Brajesuma Pratimam Pratibhavaha Madhvyanam Gopi Gopinam Mat Sandesukoi Vimurchayo. This is the thing. One devotee asked me, what is my fault? I told, only your fault, you were not following the instruction of Guru. This is your fault. I did not tell, but I want to tell them. If I tell, they will be upset. They asked me, Gurudev Maharaj, you are sadhu, Gurudev. So tell me, what is my fault? What is your fault? You are not following the instruction of Guru. You going to Navadvip Parikrama. You are not going to Navadvip Parikrama. You are going to Vrindavan Parikrama. Why not going to Navadvip Parikrama? Gurudev told, I am waiting for you. So this is your Guru Nishtha. And you were saying, what is my fault? This is fault. Your fault. You look your fault. Gurudev told, what did he say? Everybody come, Navadvip Parikrama. I am waiting for you. Gurudev Samadhi, Gurudev is direct is there. Or you are not going to Navadvip Parikrama, you are going to Vrindavan. Why to do Vrindavan? Vrindavan is very far. First you do Navadvip Parikrama. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavan Vataduri. Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavan Vataduri. Aradhito Dijasuta Brajanagaraste Naradhito Dijasuta Natavaiva Krishna. Aradhito Navavanam. One who worships Navavanam, Navadvip Dham, he easily entered in Vrindavan. Naradhito Dijasuto. And if you not worship Sachinandan Gaudhari, Gaudham and Gaudhari, any method you cannot worship Krishna, who is the beloved of the devotees. Prabhupada Saraswati. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavanivati, Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavanivaduri. Aradhito Dijasuto Brajanagaraste Naradhito. If you not worship Sachinandan Gaudhari, you cannot attain to Krishna who is beloved. So this Guru Prabhupada Saraswati. So Vrindavan Dham. We want to go Vrindavan Dham, this is true. But first need the mercy of Navadvip Dham, Navadvip Chandra Gaura Chandra. Gaur Dham, Gaura Chandra. So everybody come. Where? Navadvip Dham. Gaura Dham. Gaur Prema. So here also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, or you are Mahabhagavad. So Mahabhagavad symptoms is there. Whatever the looks he is thinking, he is studied, please. So देखिए तहाँ है तुम्हारा कृष्ण स्पुरन सावर जंगम देखे ना देखे मूर्ति सर्वतः है ता इष्ट देवी स्फूर्ति राधा कृष्ण तुम्हारा महाप्रेम है जहाँ जहाँ राधा कृष्ण तुम्हारी स्फुर है राय को ये प्रभु तुम्हें छाड़ो भूरी भारी तुम्हारा आगे निज रूप ना करियो मोर आगे निज रूप ना करियो चुरी राधिकार भाव गंते करी अंगीकार निज रसदी करियाछ अवतार निज गुड़ कार्य तुम्हार प्रेमास्वादन अनुसंग प्रेमय कैल त्रिभुवन Rayavananda he told Prabhu, don't cheat me. And he took Srimati Radhika's bhav and kanti mood and his complexion. Why? Do you want to release of your own rasas? And anusanga premaya kaila tribhuvan, and you occasionally you also distribute the highest prem to everybody. Nam prem mataila Jagajana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributes the Brija Prem and Harinam to everybody. And everybody completely were intoxicated. So he has to. Nija Guru Karja Tomar Prem Ashradan, Anusanga Prem Moi Korila Tribhuvan. Apane Aile Mori Korita Uddha. Maybe Kapat Korotoma Pun Gavaha. And I am very humble, he told. You also came here, Godavari. Why? To deliver to me. But don't cheat me. Please tell me who are you? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what did he say? তবে হাসি তারে প্রভু দেখাইল স্বরূপ রসরাজ মহাভাব এই দুই রূপ দেখে রামানন্দ হইল আনন্দে মূর্ছিত ধরিতে না পারে দেহ পড়িল ভূমিতে হ্যাঁ very nice, beautiful. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Rasaraj Mahabhav. Well, what is that Rasaraj or what is the Mahabhav? Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. What is the Rasaraj Mahabhav? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested and combined together. That's Rasaraj Mahabhav. Good Premanand. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hari Bol, 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 Premanande, Hari Bol. Nice. Huh?
What is the meaning of chanting Harinam in Sadhu Sangha?
What is the meaning of this? About the mood? Sadhu Sangha chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare same mood of sadhus, you chant holy names. In the beginning, you cannot understand the mood, but simply chant holy names with together congregation. আর সাধু সঙ্গ চ্যানেল লিসেন হরি কথা নাম সংকীর্তন সম্যক রূপেণ কীর্তনম সংকীর্তন নাম সংকীর্তন understand or not? What do you understand?
I'm trying to understand. He said first in the beginning we cannot understand the rules, so simply chanting the holy
Simply
name.
chanting holy names. sadhu sangha. Stay with sadhu. Dadati, patiginnati, gujjava, khyati, prichhati, bhunkti, bhuduchi, chaiva, sarvida, prati, lakshana. These are six limbs of sadhu sangha. What are the six limbs of sadhu sangha? Follow.
Sadati Pratignati means you're giving to the sadhus and you're also accepting what they're giving to you. Then Guhyama Dadati Pratignati, Guhyama Kyati Prishati means you serve them.
No, Gujjama khati. Gujjama khati means you can ask your question, comprehension question. Prichhati, you can ask any question. Bhunkte bhajate chaiva, and feed to him and take his remnants. Who's saying this? This is the sadhu sangha. Rupa Goswami Pad Bhakti Eadishbal. Nectar of instruction explained. Sadhu sangha, 6 ways you associate with sadhu. Dadati, Pratigannati, Gujjamakkati, Prichhati, Bhunkti, Bhajati, Chaiva, Sadavidha, Pritir, Lakshanam. This is sadhu sangha. You are listening Harikatha with sadhu sangha. But sangha is proper way to his mood. Mosquito is also associated with sadhu, but they are sucking the blood of the sadhu. They are not sadhu. Actual sadhu sangha means listen Harikatha. This is the main thing. Understand? Listen Harikatha. If you listen, then you follow. Understand? Sadhu sangha, listen Harikatha. Sadhu will be pleased if you listen Harikatha from his lips. Now this is told. When I was only 5 years old, I used to go to sadhus. I can't understand the sadhus all katha because that time I was only 5 years old. But I am very eager to listen and sitting in front of sadhu. Then sadhu very pleased with me. Even you pretend to listen, sadhu also very pleased with you. Maybe you have no taste to listen, but just you pretend to listen. Sadhu will feel. At least the Sabda Brahma, the transcendental vibration enter your ears or not. You not listen, no problem. But vibration will enter your ears and coming in your heart. Understand? If you put one camphor here, the camphor smell spread in here, automatically camphor is here. The smell of the camphor automatically enter your nose. Look this thing. In the same way, if you sit in front of a sadhu, even not listen, just sit. The vibration of the Harikatha manifested from the mouth of sadhu that enter in your ears. You don't want, no problem. But vibration will go or not? You don't want, take the smell of camphor. Oh, I don't want the smell of camphor. But automatically go or not? You want or not? So, Brihad Bhagavatam, Mrita Sanatana Goswami Pad, he gives this types of example. The sadhu sangha means is what? Listen Harikatha. If you listen Harikatha, to what benefit? Just to pretend to listen Harikatha. You have no taste. Conditioned soul means that they have no taste. By vibration will go. Atom bomb. Destroy all your unearthly. Understand? Sadhu Sangha means listen. So are we saying Sadhu Sangha, Harikatha. Maya jidite ar anno kono vastu nai. There are no any other process to conquer the Maya. You can conquer the Maya with listen Harikatha in front of a sadhu. Or when you far from sadhu, then Maya catch you. Then Vaishnava Das to come in. Which Das? Paneer Das come in. You remember this Leela is very, very important. Every single sadhu. Every sadhu. This is true. When staying with sadhu, guru, then protected by Maya. Guru told, hey, skinny disciple, come with me. But no, Gurudev, I don't want to go. I want to stay. The Maya catcher, no? Then big calamity has come in his life. Externally thinking, oh, he is very happy. Externally, we are looking, he is eating every day 5 kilos paneer. I cannot eat 1 gram paneer. If I take 1 gram paneer, then my stomach disturbed. And every day, Vaishnav Das, how much paneer he ate? 5 kilos. 5 reais at 2 kilos. Eating. Externally he is thinking, I am very happy, far from Guru. But until slowly Maya catching. Then his life is coming, a very big calamity has come. Understand? He have to die. But Guru is very merciful. And Guru came and saved his life. Then Guru told, again you don't give up to me, always stay with me. Guru is called our protector, maintainer. And we have no direct connection with Krishna, but we have direct connection with Gurudev. So this is very important. So teaching in this. Sadhu, Guru, Shastra. These are Gaur Preman. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sangha. Sadhu Sangha means Harikatha.
But if you are far from sadhus, then how can you...
Are sadhu is two sadhu one. If he is not Jivanta sadhu, then Bhakta sadhu. Grantha sadhu. But always try to associate with the Jivanta sadhu. Now 2 o'clock. That's why evening also program, no?
Yes.
Then tomorrow early in the morning have to wake up 4 o'clock.
Very early.
Very early. What time have to leave?
Our flight is 5:50.
5:45.
5:45.
No, 5:40.
5:40.
Yeah. They are written in my 5 o'clock boarding.
Morning, yes, but morning 5 o'clock. So maybe we have to leave here, I don't know. What? 4:30 or 5 we have to be there. What time we have to be there?
4:40 latest. 1 hour before we have to there. 4:40 should be in the airport. So what time we have to leave here?
4:15. 4:15 is okay. 4:15.
4:15.
Yeah, it's near the airport.
So the airport is very close by.
But airport is too close. Have to go downstairs, here to here.
But if we leave like 4:20, then 4:40 will be there. It's like 15 minutes we can be there. Someone have
Yeah, 4:15, 4:20, 4:30 latest deadlines. Yeah, good. Good, Navadvip Dham, come everybody. You come in Navadvip Dham.
I never went.